Hello everybody, welcome. Now, today I'm going to be doing Quorn. But I'm going to do it as a chilli. I've never had Quorn, ever. But I'm not just going to only do it as a chilli. I'm going to put the chilli on fries. I suppose it's going to be like a corn loaded chilli thing, isn't it, really? I mean, vegetarian thing. I mean, I've never had a vegetarian anything before. Oh, well, I do tell a lie. I've had some bacon and sausage, I think. I've never had Quorn anyway. It's quite expensive, that was £3. I mean, it's supposed to the same as mince nowadays, isn't it? Well, £2.95 I think it was. I suppose it's the same as mince, isn't it now? That's what mince is, isn't it? So let me show you what I'm going to do. Right, so what I want to do, I bought one of these packs here. I mean, I've got loads of seasoning that in the cupboard. But I really want to taste the Quorn. I don't want to be adding extra stuff to it, you see. So what I've done, I bought one of these. It says, try vegan version or whatever. I don't know, vegan, vegetarian, whatever it is, I don't know. But there's all the condiments anyway. Look, there's all the what's what. Was it 39 calories, a quarter of a pack? And there's all the stuff there. And I'm going to do it as instructions on this packet here. Apart from it says like brown the mince first, but apparently I read this Quorn and you don't brown the mince, do you? I don't know if it's mince or what it is, to be honest with you, because I've never had it. It just says cook your stuff and then, where is it? I've read it somewhere. Simply eat your sauces and whatever, then add the Quorn mince. That must already be, I don't know what it is. Does it say what it is? It just says gluten free and high in protein, no soy. Anyway, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the onions done first. And then we'll just, I don't know, build it up. I'll get my chips in the air fryer. We'll pour it on some chips and we'll see what it tastes like. I'm just going to get myself a little drop of oil in first, just for the onions. Just a little drop, there you go. So it's vegetable oil, I mean, is that suitable for vegetarians? I don't know. Never had a vegetarian thing before. Well anyway, I'm just using that. It's only the mince I want to taste. It's not a vegetarian meal as such, I suppose. We get these onions in. Bit of skin there, look, get that skin off. And I'll wait for them onions to do. I'll drain these kidney beans. I'll drain them off. We'll get the tomatoes in. We'll get the seasoning in. 150ml of water, like the instructions say. We'll get that in the mince. And we'll cook it. Right, they're all done. I'm going to put the Quorn in. Okay, that's the Quorn if you've never seen it before. Okay, don't know how much it is to put in. I mean, instructions say 450 gram. I don't want to put all that in. The bag's only 500. I don't want to put all that in. I'm not going to use all that. Just get some in. I don't know how much to put in. Just enough so I can get a flavour. I don't know. Does it wilt down and that? This stuff? I don't know. That'll do. Put that in. I'm not sure. Can I have the kidney beans? Get them in. Can I have the tomatoes? Chopped tomatoes. Get them in. Give that a mix first. But that was more than a 40 here. Not going to eat all that. Right, now it says add the seasoning. So I'll add this seasoning in. Get it all in. Give that a mix. Now the water. 150ml of water. There's loads here, I didn't think it'd be that much. I ain't going to eat all that. I wanted a bit to put on some chips. To be fair, it doesn't look too bad actually. To be fair, we'll turn that up a little bit. Well, that's been bubbling now. I'm going to turn it down, let it simmer for 10 minutes. While that's happening, I'm going to get some chips in. Well, fries. Push that back a bit. These take about 10-12 minutes in here, so get an handful in. That'll do. I'll get them in there. Get that started up. Right, that's all done. And to be fair, that's thickened up really nice, look. It has been 10 minutes and it's thickened up. And the chips are done. So let's plate it up. Well, I'm going to get me fries out, they're all done. Get them on. Looking nice. They were what them Aldi fries, you know. 70 whatever p they are, 75p or something. Let's get this on. There's loads of it, look at all that. No eat all that, I only want to drop. Oh yes, with loads left, look. There's absolutely loads left. But there we are. Looks quite nice, doesn't it, to be fair? I mean, the mince was £3. The 2 tins, tomatoes and the kidney beans, they were £1, that's 4. Chips were 70 something p. So about a £5 with the packet with the seasoning. And you get up to, and don't forget I ain't used all the mince. I mean, how many would you get out of that? You'd get loads, wouldn't you? 7 or 8 portions with your chips. You're laughing, it's about 70-80p a meal. Let's taste test it. So yeah, Quorn chilli on fries. And it smells nice, to be fair. Don't forget I haven't put any extra seasoning in it, I've only put that packet in it. Let's give it a taste. It's boiling hot, this is. Okay, get a bit more. Try and get a lot more Quorn. There it is. Wow, I'm very surprised. To be fair, that's quite nice. Try a bit of Quorn on its own. I'm very shocked. I'm very, very shocked at that. That's nice. Oh wow. Oh my god. It's gorgeous. But I never thought that with Quorn, to be fair. You can tell it's not mince, but that's stunning. Would I buy that again? Yes, I would buy that again. Yes, I would. £3. And mince is probably the same, £3.50 for the mince or something. And there's absolutely loads left. I've only used about half the pack. There's loads. That's a thumbs up for me, Quorn. Yeah. I do like that. And so no extra seasoning, just that packet. But there you go, nice little quick one there, simple, easy to do. If you do like content like this, give us a like and subscribe. I am the Old Food Guy. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye. Have a little bit more. It's gorgeous.